There's an oil in your kitchen right now. You bought it yourself. You cook with it almost every day. And for decades, you were told it was the healthy choice. It is one of the most damaging things you put in your body. Now, before you think, I already know about seed oils, I want to ask you something. Do you know what actually happens inside your liver every single time you cook with these oils? Most people don't. And by the end of this video, you will. There are 4 things happening in your body right now because of this oil. We're going to cover all of them. And number 3 is the one that changes everything. Here's something your great-grandmother never had in her kitchen. Vegetable oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil. None of these existed 100 years ago. They weren't discovered. They were engineered. The seeds that produce these oils, cotton seeds, corn, soybeans, were never meant to be eaten as fat. Extracting oil from them requires industrial chemical solvents, high heat, and deodorizers to make the results smell and look like food. And yet, this is now in 80% of everything on your supermarket shelf. It's what most restaurants cook with. It replaced butter, lard, and olive oil as the healthy alternative. Your body has had roughly 100 years to adapt to something it never evolved to process. But the real problem isn't where these oils come from. It's what happens to them the moment they hit heat. And that's where your body starts paying the price. Seed oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, specifically a compound called linoleic acid. Here's the problem. Linoleic acid is chemically unstable. When you heat it, which happens every time you cook, it oxidizes. It breaks down into toxic compounds called aldehydes. Aldehydes are the same class of chemicals found in cigarette smoke and car exhaust. Think about that for a second. Every time you fry something in vegetable oil, you're filling your kitchen with the chemical equivalent of exhaust fumes, and then you're eating it. Now here's the question most people never ask. After you eat it, where does it go? It goes directly to your liver. And what happens there is the part of this story that nobody is talking about. This is number 3, and this is the one that changes everything. Your liver is your body's filtration system. Everything you eat passes through it. Its job is to identify, process, and eliminate what doesn't belong. But aldehyde compounds, the byproducts from heated seed oils, are something your liver has never encountered in human history. It doesn't have an efficient system to process them, so instead of eliminating them, it stores them. Fat begins accumulating around your liver cells. This is called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and it now affects 1 in 4 adults worldwide. Here's what makes this dangerous. In the early stages, there are 0 symptoms. Your liver can be silently accumulating damage for years while you feel completely fine. You won't know until it's advanced, but liver damage is only part of what seed oils are doing to your body, because simultaneously, there's a second mechanism running, and this one connects to nearly every chronic disease we know of. What I'm about to show you is why researchers are now calling seed oils one of the most significant, unaddressed health threats of the modern world. Your body needs a balance between 2 types of fat, omega-6 and omega-3. For most of human history, you ate them in roughly a 1-to-1 ratio. Today, the average person eats a 20-to-1 ratio, almost entirely because of seed oils. When omega-6 overwhelms omega-3, your body locks into a state of chronic inflammation, not occasionally, permanently. At a low level, you can't feel. And chronic inflammation isn't just uncomfortable. It's the underlying biological environment that heart disease, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cancer need to develop. You're not eating something that might cause a problem one day. You're eating something that's actively maintaining the conditions those diseases require to grow every single day. Now, here's the part you actually came for, because everything we've just covered, all 4 mechanisms, reverses, and the fix is not a supplement, not a diet plan, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. The fix is a swap, not a sacrifice. Remove seed oils from your kitchen, replace them with fats your body has processed for thousands of years. Butter, ghee, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, tallow. These fats don't oxidize under heat the same way. They don't flood your liver with aldehyde compounds. They don't trigger the same inflammatory cascade. The second step is reading labels. Seed oils hide under names like vegetable oil, partially hydrogenated oil, canola, soybean oil, and corn oil. Once you start looking, you'll find them in places you never expected. Salad dressings, bread, baby food. Now, does this mean you need to throw out everything in your kitchen today? No, start with one swap. Your cooking oil at home. That single change removes your single biggest daily source of oxidized linoleic acid. And here's the last thing I want you to know. Your liver replaces its cells roughly every 150 days, which means if you start today, In 5 months, you're working with a largely different organ. The damage isn't permanent, but only if you stop adding to it. Subscribe for more and tell me in the comments, did you already know about seed oils, or did this genuinely change something for you?